Just at Poundland in Bolton, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there, guys. Right, well, we finally got some full pegs in a Poundland, which is fantastic, and a price of £1.50 per Hot Wheels. Poundland are doing it right, guys. £1.49, I think, is the cheapest in the UK at Aldi and Lidl. But yeah, anyway, let's get started, guys. First up, we've got the Duck and Roll, which I think is a glow-in-the-dark duck, seeing as it does say glow-in-the-duck on the side there. Really cool little fantasy car, this, from the Hot Wheels Let's Race set, which is on Netflix. There's a stamp there for the Netflix series Let's Race. Very cool. Let's keep going. Oh, nice. We've got a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Very, very good in white and red. No license plate on the back there, but it does have a Lamborghini badge on the front. Always nice to see that on the Lambos. Really, really cool one. I've not seen this before. This is in L case. So yeah, we could have more of the case on the pegs here, but yeah, really cool. Very happy to find this and add it to the collection. So yeah, we'll just pop this over here. Let's keep going. We've got a really nice looking 1969 Mercury Cougar Eliminator in that metallic turquoise paint. Big black stripe on the top there. Very cool wheels on this thing. Chrome at the front, chrome at the back. Yeah, very nice muscle car. Do have this one. Let's keep going. We've got the Kowloon De Hypervan, which I'm told is a Chinese private light bus, as you can see on the side there, with 16 seats. Very, very cool. See, it's got the Chinese symbols for the destination there. T-Sim Sha Tusui. Don't know what that means, but very cool little private bus from China, this. Let's keep going. Oh, yes. Very nice Mad Mike Drift Attack in that matte blue. Absolutely love this thing, and I do want to actually take this. Do have it already, but I need one to let loose, so this will be that one. You can see on the card here, it's got Mad Mike's logo, and it's got his signature on there as well. Awesome little casting. Let's put that to one side. And we've got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser Collector. We've got a lay-in lowrider, the tuned Dodge Charger. Ooh, and a nice yellow Pagani Zonda R from the Race Day set. Now, this Race Day set's a really good little set. This is from L case, and I did grab this from the Entertainer, but I wouldn't mind grabbing it again just to lay it loose. You can see it's got a diffuser on the back there, like a carbon fiber on the spoiler with Pagani written on there. Very, very nice. I do like this one. Let me pop this with the rest that I'll be taking. And let's keep going. We've got the new peg warmer of this year, the Rink Racer, which is just going to be everywhere. Have a look at this, guys. I've not seen anybody picking these things up or looking for them, but I think are they called a Zamboni? The things that go on the ice rinks and like flatten the ice out, do they? I don't know. We don't have many ice rinks where I'm from. I do believe this is the peg warmer, guys. So I'm going to leave it here, warming this peg. We've got a Total Disposal bin wagon. Oh, nice. It's the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. This is one awesome looking Skyline. Absolutely love this. You can get this in that blue as well. And it is the CEO of Liberty Walk's car that they've actually managed to turn into a casting. It says Liberty Walk there. And there's a little petrol cap as well on it. Hot Wheels on the side, no number in there. It doesn't have the decal on the window there. It does have Japanese writing on the other one. Really awesome casting from the then and now set. I'll pop this to one side and let's keep going. Oh, nice! The McLaren P1 from the Quarter Mile Heroes set. This is number 1 of 5 out of that set. And this blue, oh, it's like a pearlescent blue, guys. I don't know if you can see it change in color, but it's kind of got like a flash of green in there as well. Great details on this. It's got headlights, and the headlights, I don't know if you can see, are the actual McLaren badge shape. which is cool. We've got an exhaust and brake lights on the back there. Cool tyres, all black. And if you look at the card, you can kind of see the paint changing from green to blue as well. Really awesome casting. Glad I found this one. Let's pop this down here and let's keep going. The awesome 1986 Toyota van, which is actually off Stranger Things. If you've seen Stranger Things, I don't know, but this is the actual colorway of that van. Really, really cool to see. I do have that already. Oh, no way. I thought that was the Super, guys. It is the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, which can be a Super if it has a golden stamp on the back of the card there. But unfortunately, no, this is just the normal standard one. The paint on this thing, though, always tricks me because it's very shiny, this. It does look like that Spectraflame paint, but the wheels give it away, guys. It should have rubber wheels if it's the Super. Very cool. Still looking for that. And it'll probably trick me again and again. Awesome casting. I do have this one already. Let's keep going. Oh, nice. It's the 95 Mazda RX-7, and it's the Project U version here, if you can see on the side there. It's got those decals, very, very nice white with very, very light turquoise decals on there. You can see it's got it on the front as well. You got no headlights, a little bit bare bones on the front, but that back there, very, very detailed with writing, badge, tail lights. Absolutely beautiful. Really glad I found this one. I'll definitely be taking this. Let's pop it over here. Let's keep going. Oh, nice! It's the Bone Shaker Treasure Hunt. So yeah, if you can see that silver stamp under there, that means that this is a treasure hunt. It's not a Super, but it is a treasure hunt. A little bit rarer than the rest of the mainline cars. Very, very cool. Not come across this one before. I have seen the Bone Shaker in real life at the Legends Tour event that was down in Watford. That was cool. But this one's all in white on white with white wheels as well. Very, very nice. Little skull on the front there and the engine. Now, if you collect Hot Wheels and you find things like a treasure hunt or a Super treasure hunt, you might want to keep them protected on the card and keep them pristine. And the best way to do that is to use car protectors. Now, I'm sponsored by Class UK. They are one of the best car protectors in the UK. They do all different types of cases, from long cards, premiums, mainline, everything to keep your cars protected from kids, dogs, the wife. But yeah, all I can really say, guys, is if you want to keep your collection pristine and looking good, definitely look into Class UK. And we do actually have a community code that you can use to get 15% off your first order over £35. That code is TWC15. Definitely check Class UK out if you're looking to protect your cars, guys. But yeah, really, really happy to find this treasure hunt. Definitely one of the better treasure hunts of this year, this as well. You can see it says 84 on the side, and it does have the treasure hunt symbol on the side in red there as well. Absolutely fantastic find. I'll pop that with the rest and let's keep going. Ooh, we've got another good car here from the 90s set. It's the 1990 Acura NSX in yellow. You've got that nice Acura badge on the front. Really cool looking tyres, and the back end though. Hot Wheels on the license plate. Just your classic old NSX. Really reminds me of the old games I used to play, like Gran Turismo. Absolutely fantastic to find this one. I do have this from the Entertainer. I might take it to let it loose, seeing as it's £1.50 in here. But yeah, I'll pop it over here and yeah, let's keep looking. Got Nissan Patrol Custom. Another peg warmer. Oh, another car that could have been a Super treasure hunt. It's the Volvo P1800 Gasser, and this is from the reverse rake set. This did start off as a Legends Tour car, and I did meet the guy who made this car. Keep your eye out for the new Legends Tour cars that are looking to be made into Hot Wheels, because the UK one looks really, really good. It's the 1985 Mini Minty. I believe it's called. Yeah, but that looks really good. It's a shame it's not a super, but still, cool casting. Let's keep going. We've got a speed bump, which is a pretty funny art car, because they've got the whole car is completely crumpled on the top, like a monster truck's just gone over it. Really mismatched wheels and like a mosaic effect for the art cars. It does have a T on there because the art cars do spell out something every year. Cool little fantasy concept, that. Oh, nice! It's the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 from the factory fresh set in that hot red. Looks absolutely beautiful. Got the badge on the front. Very, very clean, these things. I do love the 911 Carreras, and I think I've got nearly every color of them. White, yellow, red, orange. I've got all of them, guys. So I'll pop this down, but I don't know if I'll be taking that one. Oh, we've got a 1984 Mustang SVO from the Then and Now set. Got a really cool mailed it with that little dog on the side there eating the mail. Cool little post van. Tracked wagon. Oh yes, the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Now this is a good looking one. It looks Zamac, which means that it wouldn't have any paint on there and just the metal, actual metal casing, but it is silver, guys. Still looks pretty cool. I would have liked this one to come in Zamac though. Yeah. Very nice. And this is the last peg, guys. Let's hope on this row we find something amazing. Maybe a super's hiding in here, I don't know. But let's have a look. Let's get some last peg magic, guys. First up, we've got an 80 El Camino. We've got the Braille twin mill, which is cool. We've got the old peg warmer, the rocking railer. Maybe that's an omen. We're not gonna find anything, guys. A Rally Special in red. We've got the birthday burner, which is a big slice of cake with a fork underneath it from the Celebration Racers set. Oh, nice. It's the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. The whole of that rolling metal set is Zamac, which is absolutely awesome. I will be looking for this full set. You can see it's not actually got any paint on there. It is literally the bodywork, which is really cool. See, it says 427 on the side. I think the wheels go really well with this as well. And as someone said in the comment on the mini hunt, where I did find this before, it really does remind me of the Ford versus Ferrari film. Definitely watch that film if you've not already watched it. It is a great film for car enthusiasts and us Hot Wheels collectors, you know. But yeah, awesome, really good find. Let's pop that down here and keep going. We've got 3 left. We've got a custom 68 Camaro in white and red, really, really nice. A 52 Chevy in white and green, and last but not least, we've got a 87 Dodge D100 to finish off the hunt. Right, well, we've been through all of the pegs here, guys. Let's go and see what we found. Well, we found some really awesome castings in Poundland, guys. I hope you enjoyed this hunt. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.